Hi children, now I am going to teach phonetic sounds of alphabets A to Z. Children, shall we start? The phonetic sound of this letter is A. Apple. A axe. A ant. The phonetic sound of this letter is B. Ball. Bat. Bird. The phonetic sound of this letter is K. Car. Cat. Cap. The phonetic sound of this letter is D. Dog. Drum. Duck. The phonetic sound of this letter is A. Egg. Elephant. Engine. The phonetic sound of this letter is F. Fox. Fish. Frog. The phonetic sound of this letter is G. Grapes. Girl. Goat. The phonetic sound of this letter is H. House. Horse. Hen. The phonetic sound of this letter is E. Igloo. Ink pot. India. The phonetic sound of this letter is J. Jam. Jacket. Jug. The phonetic sound of this letter is K. King. Key. Kangaroo. The phonetic sound of this letter is L. Ladder. Line. Lock. The phonetic sound of this letter is M. Monkey. Mug. Mango. N. The phonetic sound of this letter is N. Nest. Newspaper. Net. The phonetic sound of this letter is A. A. Owl. A. Octopus. A. Orange. The phonetic sound of this letter is P. P. Penguin. P. Papaya. P. Panda. The phonetic sound of this letter is Qu. Qu. Queen. Qu. Clit. Qu. Q. The phonetic sound of this letter is R. R. Rocket. R. Rabbit. R. Rose. The phonetic sound of this letter is S. S. Seesaw. S. Spoon. S. Soap. The phonetic sound of this letter is T. T. Tiger. T. Tomato. T. Telephone. The phonetic sound of this letter is A. A. Uncle. A. Umbrella. A. Up. The phonetic sound of this letter is V. V. Van. V. Vase. V. Vegetables. The phonetic sound of this letter is W. W. Watch. W. Wolf. W. Wool. The phonetic sound of this letter is X. X. X-ray. X. Xylophone. The phonetic sound of this letter is Y. Y. Yacht. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yuck. The phonetic sound of this letter is Z. Z. Zoo. Z. Zebra. Z. Zip. Children, I hope you all enjoyed to learn in this session. Thank you.